How to log into your American Express account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your American Express account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in American Express. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of American Express, where in order to log into your account, simply tap on the login option, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll basically be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your user ID, your password, select your account type. So let me simply do them right over here. Now tap on the option login, and just like that, as you can see, you have successfully logged into your American Express account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.